So now guys, the next thing is the PHP scripts, which you can prefer. Just go to the servers and just tap on this WordPress servers, and then here you will see one option of settings and packages. Okay, so just tap there and then just go to packages. So here it will say the PHP. So PHP right now the latest version is 8.0 running, but it is a very much latest. So many themes and plugins are not sure that they will be able to cope up with the latest one, because some plugins and themes need time to immediately upgrade themselves so that it can just work with the latest PHP. But make sure your PHP should be PHP 7.4 at least for now. But after some time, when you will see that above PHP 8.0 there's one more PHP, so in that case just upgrade to PHP 8.0. In simple, always whatever PHP will be the latest, so make sure that your packages should be less than the latest PHP. So currently I can see that PHP 8.0 is latest, so I will select to PHP 7.4 and I will click on save, right, which I have already PHP 7.4 7.4. So in this case guys, this is how it works, and then you have the various other uh, facilities provided like optimizations and everything. If you want, you can just go ahead with that, but the main thing was the PHP, which I have told you guys how you can do this. Okay, so this is how it works, and this is how you can set PHP. So PHP also matters a lot. If you have a very low PHP, so your website can face a issue in loading fast. Okay, so please keep that thing in mind as well. Okay.